What are you doing? Oh no. All right, welcome back to the SSL Family Dad channel. Man, what a beautiful day it is out here. It's finally drying up a little bit, warming up. It's in the 50s today. And so I thought, what a good time to get the mini excavator out and tidy up some of our trails. We've got some four-wheelers and the little three-wheeler or five-wheeler gator thing and some other golf cart and stuff like that. We'd like to take around these trails I've cleared out. But I've got some stumps and some other stuff like that in here that I'd like to just kind of clear out, and some areas I'd like to level out a little bit. This is the tool for the job. So we're gonna get this in here. I'm gonna pull some stumps out, fill some areas in, smooth some spots out. That's mainly the job that we're gonna do, is a little area through the woods here that's got a bunch of stumps and things in it. We got a lot of work ahead of us. We've got a few hours of sunlight left, so we'll see what we can get done. Well, let's get this thing fired up into the trails and figure out what we need to do. You ready for the new trail?
Yeah. Well, I'm stuck.
Well, it's been a long time since we've been riding these trails over all those stumps and everything, and I think it'll be nice. It's not perfect, there's still some cleanup to do here, some little pieces and stuff, but we have to come back up and get that. But after we ride this a few times, this stuff will smooth out pretty good, I think. And hear the frogs. We got a big swamp back on this side. That's where all the water comes from. So this is what I consider or call the logging trail. It's just a trail that I've kind of cleared, made further and further each year to come out and get some of these trees that were down and other things out in this area. A lot of cherry trees out here, black locust, some hickories, some oaks, and man, that excavator is awesome. Just knocks trees over, just pull them right out, smooth it over. It's just great. It had taken me a while to do this with my tractor or shovel, but look at this. Look at this dirt right here. The soil. That is, look at that. I mean, that is some good soil. There's a lot of sand in here, but man, is that black. I don't know if it shows up on the camera as black as it is, but man, is this stuff just rich. May have to come back here and mine this stuff and sell it. So this is the drainage ditch that I'll eventually get cleared out. You can kind of see it. Right now, this is where it spills into the maple forest and floods that area. It's supposed to come through here and make its way all the way back and connect up to the county drain. What I think might be cool, this trail continues on. You can see it goes up through there. This is normally dry, of course, in the summertime. But what I might do is make a little bridge right here, and that'd be cool. I'll cut down some trees, maybe make a log bridge or something that goes across here. Once we get this all cleared out, and the kids can ride their four-wheelers across it, and we can walk across it, and that won't be for the truck, but so pretty good work for today. I may make a couple more passes through here just to smooth this out a little bit better, but once you run those four-wheelers through here, the golf carts and that kind of stuff, it'll smooth it out. But there was so many stumps in here before, you'd be flying through, especially in the golf carts real low. You'd be flying through here and you'd come to a very abrupt stop when the chassis of that golf cart grabbed onto a stump or something. It was dangerous. So this is nicer. Definitely less dangerous. But part of the reason that I do these kinds of projects is not just for me, but I want the kids to have something to do outside, and I want them to be able to, jump on their four-wheelers or come out and go for a walk. My wife and I will come back here and take walks sometimes. Out here is our campsites right down the trail a ways. I'm always trying to think of ways to get the kids out of the house. But these trails will continue to expand around here. I've got plans for a few more trails through the woods, and that excavator is going to play a big role in that, as well as my tractor and the brush hog and other things. But we're gonna make as much use of this forest as we can. It provides wood for us. It'll provide pasture down the road for some pigs, and it's great to just come out here. If you're looking at buying homestead, buying property, man, having an established forest area on the property as well as fields, but having a forested area is a huge benefit. So we really love coming out here. It's probably our favorite spot in this property is just coming down this trail. So it means a lot to us. But we'll continue to improve and of course take you guys along for all of that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little digging and knocking stuff over that excavator. You can just knock trees over, just dig them out. Had a hard time with a couple of the bigger stumps. It took me a little while to work some of those out, but man, it's just a handy thing to have. And if this is your first time to the SSL Family Dad channel, well, subscribe. We'd love to have you tag along and join the crew. Lots of fun things coming up as always. And don't forget to thumbs up on today's video. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.